Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Alexa. While you cannot directly play the Roblox game on your Alexa device, you can access a variety of Roblox-themed content. This includes engaging trivia, exciting stories, and helpful game information. Alexa skills provide an audio-only experience, allowing you to interact with your favorite Roblox universe in a unique and conversational way. It's a fun alternative for fans. To begin, open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. From there, you will want to navigate to the Skills and Games section, which is typically found in the main menu. In the search bar, type Roblox to discover a selection of related skills. Once you find a skill that interests you, simply tap to enable it, making it ready for use with your Alexa device. Activating a Roblox skill is straightforward. Just use its specific wake word. For instance, you might say, "Alexa, open Roblox trivia to start a game." Your Alexa device will then guide you with voice prompts, allowing you to answer questions, listen to stories, or engage with other content. Remember, these skills offer an audio-only experience, focusing on information and narrative rather than interactive gameplay. It is important to understand that Alexa cannot run the actual Roblox game application itself. The available skills provide supplementary content, meaning you will not be able to play the interactive game directly. Instead, you can expect engaging trivia, interesting facts, and immersive narrative experiences. This offers a unique, audio-focused way to enjoy and learn more about the vast and creative world of Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.